Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how to do video editing in CapCut software. We choose CapCut because CapCut is very easy and handy to use and everyone can learn this software and it do not require any high-end PC. So that's the reason why we choose this software for this course. So in today's video I will teach you how to zoom in and zoom out in of any video with the help of keyframes. In my previous video I will teach you about keyframes, so let's get started. So I am going to CapCut PC and now I want this image, and sorry, this is the video and this is the green screen video. So first of all we have like image for background, so I choose tech and I choose photos, and this look good, so that's it. Now I click on this cutout. We can perform this procedure in our green screen removal video. So if you don't know about this, go check it out, our green screen video. Color picker, color, strength, and that's it. Yeah. So now I have to zoom in and zoom out the video. So here I go to basics, position and size, and I add the keyframe here. After that, at this point I want to add another keyframe and zoom in. So sorry, I made a mistake. At this point I want to zoom in the image, so I scale up the image in this way and add keyframe here. Wait a second, I made a mistake. At this point I add a keyframe, and at this point I zoom in. So as you can see, our video is zoom in, and after that I add another keyframe here to stay at the same position, and after that I have to zoom out. So add a keyframe here and again this. So let's see. So in this way we can zoom in and zoom out our video in CapCut. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.